Welcome to Amal Safety YouTube channel, your go-to source for expert ergonomic advice. Just as tidying your home brings joy and peace, creating a workspace that sparks similar feelings is equally important. Our mission is to help you create a safer and more comfortable workspace. Imagine a workspace that is not only organized and efficient, but also promotes your well-being and allows you to work with ease and focus. By implementing these ergonomic tips, you can transform your workspace into a haven of comfort and productivity. Subscribe now to stay updated on the best practices for a healthier work environment. Let's embark on this journey of creating a workspace that truly sparks joy. Our first tip is all about finding harmony with your chair. Remember, just as you would carefully choose a piece of furniture for your home, selecting the right chair is essential for your workspace. Look for a chair with adjustable height, backrest, and armrests. These adjustable features allow you to personalize your chair to your unique needs, ensuring optimal comfort and support. When you sit, make sure your feet are flat on the floor and your knees are at a 90-degree angle. This proper posture will help to reduce strain on your legs and back. The backrest is your friend when it comes to supporting your spine. Adjust it to cradle your back comfortably, encouraging a natural and healthy posture. Remember, your chair should feel like an extension of yourself, providing support and comfort throughout your workday. Taking the time to make these adjustments will spark joy in your body and enhance your overall well-being. Now let's turn our attention to your desk. Just as a well-organized shelf allows you to see and access your belongings with ease, a desk at the proper height brings a sense of order and flow to your work. It's about creating a harmonious relationship between your body and your workspace. Your desk should allow your elbows to be at a 90-degree angle when typing. This seemingly small detail can make a world of difference in reducing shoulder and arm strain. Imagine your arms resting comfortably on the desk surface, allowing you to type with ease and fluidity. By achieving this optimal desk height, you invite a sense of calm and balance into your workspace. It's about creating a space that supports your body's natural alignment, reducing unnecessary strain and promoting a sense of well-being. Our next tip focuses on the placement of your monitor. Just as you would carefully arrange artwork in your home to create a visually pleasing and calming atmosphere, positioning your monitor correctly is essential for a harmonious workspace. Imagine your monitor as a window to the world, offering information and inspiration. To prevent neck strain, position your monitor at eye level about 20 to 30 inches from your face. The top of the screen should be at or slightly below eye level, allowing your gaze to flow naturally without the need to tilt your head up or down. This thoughtful placement sparks joy by reducing strain on your neck and eyes. It's about creating a visual experience that is both comfortable and engaging, allowing you to focus on your work with clarity and ease. Let's talk about your keyboard and mouse, essential tools that allow you to interact with your digital world. Just as you would arrange your writing utensils in a neat and accessible manner, positioning your keyboard and mouse correctly brings a sense of order and efficiency to your workspace. Keep your keyboard and mouse close and at the same height, creating a sense of unity and balance. Ensure your wrists are straight and your hands float above the keyboard, as if you were gently holding a precious object. This gentle approach minimizes strain on your wrists and hands. By arranging these tools with intention, you create a workspace that feels both functional and serene. It's about respecting the tools that help you work and ensuring they are positioned in a way that promotes your well-being. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious and inviting workspace. Just as natural light illuminates your home, bringing warmth and life to each room, utilizing natural light in your workspace can enhance your focus and well-being. Position your monitor to avoid glare, allowing the light to flow gently without creating distracting reflections. Consider using task lighting to minimize eye strain, providing focused illumination where you need it most. By embracing natural light and utilizing task lighting thoughtfully, you create a workspace that feels both bright and calming. It's about inviting the energy of light into your workspace, creating a sense of clarity and peace. Our next tip focuses on providing support and comfort for your feet. Just as a soft rug provides cushioning and warmth underfoot, a footrest can enhance your comfort and promote good posture. If your feet don't reach the floor when you sit at your desk, a footrest is your new best friend. It ensures your legs are at a 90-degree angle, promoting proper circulation and reducing back pain. Imagine your feet resting comfortably on the footrest, allowing you to sit with ease and focus. By providing this support for your feet, you create a sense of grounding and stability in your workspace. It's about caring for every part of your body, ensuring that even your feet feel supported and relaxed. Just as you would incorporate moments of rest and rejuvenation into your daily routine, taking breaks and moving your body are essential for a harmonious work experience. It's about finding balance between moments of focused work and moments of mindful movement. Every 30 minutes, stand up, stretch, or walk around. These short breaks can make a world of difference in preventing stiffness and promoting circulation. Imagine your body as a flowing river, and these breaks are opportunities to keep the water moving freely. By incorporating these mindful movements into your workday, you create a rhythm that honors both your body and your work. It's about listening to your body's cues and responding with gentle movements that bring a sense of refreshment and renewal. Our next tip focuses on creating a sense of order and ease when working with documents. Just as you would use a tray to organize and display cherished items, a document holder can bring a sense of calm and efficiency to your workspace. Position your document holder at the same height as your monitor, allowing your gaze to flow seamlessly from screen to paper. This thoughtful placement avoids neck strain from frequent up and down glances, creating a more harmonious visual experience. By incorporating a document holder into your workspace, you create a sense of order and reduce unnecessary strain. It's about creating a workspace that supports your workflow, allowing you to access information with ease and comfort. Just as you would select tools for your home that are both beautiful and functional, consider incorporating ergonomic accessories into your workspace. These accessories are designed to spark joy in your body by minimizing hand and wrist strain. Imagine cradling a beautifully crafted teacup in your hand. That sense of comfort and support is what ergonomic keyboards and mice aim to provide. These thoughtfully designed tools prioritize your well-being, allowing you to work with ease and fluidity. By embracing ergonomic accessories, you are choosing to prioritize your comfort and long-term health. It's about creating a workspace that reflects your commitment to self-care and well-being, allowing you to work with joy and ease. Our final tip is all about creating a sense of order and serenity by managing your cables effectively. Just as you would tidy up loose threads or cords in your home, organizing cables in your workspace brings a sense of peace and visual harmony. Imagine your workspace as a garden, and the cables are like vines that can easily become tangled and overgrown. By using clips and ties, you can neatly train these vines, preventing clutter and tripping hazards. This simple act of cable management sparks joy by creating a sense of order and spaciousness. It's about eliminating visual distractions and creating a workspace that feels both calm and inviting. Thank you for watching. Remember, your comfort and well-being are our top priorities. Just as you would create a home that sparks joy, we encourage you to apply the same principles to your workspace. By implementing these ergonomic tips, you are investing in your health and happiness. Let's make your workspace work for you. Embrace these tips, personalize them to your unique needs, and experience the transformative power of a workspace that supports your body and mind. Subscribe for more tips and updates. Together, let's create workspaces that spark joy.